Good day, everybody. Jason will learn to survive. It's been 6 days since my last video. Out of them 6 days, I've had 3 days. I've been feeling really rough. I think it's a tummy virus, but here in a couple of days, if it don't clear up, I'm going to seek medical attention because I do have a hernia that me and the doctor uh, thought it best not to do anything about because it wasn't causing me any problems or any discomfort. And it's always better to avoid invasive surgeries if possible. Um, if my problems are caused by this hernia, the things have got worse, then I will certainly let you guys know and document as much of it as I can to give you guys the information of the symptoms I've had and what I've went through that led me to go to the doctor and stuff, so you have that knowledge because if the grid goes down, doctors aren't going to be plentiful like now, and you're going to have to know the symptoms and other ways to possibly treat stuff like this, and to know uh, at what point something would become life threatening. Now that that's out of the way and said, let's get on to the video. I've got two first aid kits here. Well, actually, I've got three. Two of them are the same because one of them I've had for a couple years and carry in my everyday carry bag. One of them I just got the other day. Their first aid kits are made by Colman. Now, Colman's not something that you associate with first aid kits. You associate them more with outdoor products like lights and even some aluminum cooking kits slash mess kits, stuff like that. Some tents, odds and ends. But I'm not sure how long they've been making these. So the one I just picked up the other day is this little Colman personal first aid kit. I'm going to read you the contents, and then we're going to take a look at what's in it, and then I'll tell you if it's worth it or not. So in this little all-purpose personal kit, you get 6 1x3 Band-Aids. You get 4 small Band-Aids, 2 butterfly Band-Aids, 2 spot Band-Aids, 2 knuckle Band-Aids, 3 antiseptic wipes, 2 sting relief pads, 1 large safety pin, 1 small safety pin, antibiotic ointment, 2 antibiotic ointments, 1 razor blade, and of course 1 reusable tin. One thing they all have is a little expiration date sticker, and that's for the antibacterial ointment, your triple antibiotic ointment. Um, how well that holds up after the date, I don't know. But first off, you have your 3 antiseptic wipes. You've got your 2 sting relief. This is MediFirst, not a bad company. You've got your 2 triple antibiotic ointments. I can tell by the packaging. This happens to be the same triple antibiotic ointments that the local hospital, doctor's offices, and ambulance around here use. You've got your razor blade. You've got your 2 safety pins, and you've got your assortment of Band-Aids. You know, your 6 big Band-Aids here. Happens to be, again, same brand the hospital EMTs and doctors use. You've got your 2 little butterflies, your 2 little round spot Band-Aids, your 4 small Band-Aids, and your 2 knuckle Band-Aids. Overall, the amount of stuff you get in this kit is worth the price, and it is a pretty for an ouchie boo boo kit, pretty comprehensive. It would cover uh, just about 99% of your everyday common injuries that you would go to a first aid kit for. It is small and compact, and still even has room to add a tube of crazy glue. If you don't know what crazy glue is used for in a first aid kit, I will be doing a video on that one. For the price, the advertised as a 27-piece kit, we're going to call it 25-piece because I don't consider the 10 really part of a first aid kit, even though it is. Um, you know, for the price, $4.99. I mean, really not a bad price. $5 for this. It's got a pretty good quality tin, pocket size. So when I don't carry my EDC bag, this will definitely be going into my pocket. The other one is the bigger 82-piece first aid kit. Now I've got 2 of these. This one's unopened. This one's opened, and I've taken some of the Band-Aids out of this to put other stuff in. But let's take a look and go through the contents of this one. I don't think I need to open this up and show you because the Band-Aids and everything are just the same as in this one. The 82-piece kit contains 15 bandages, 15 small bandages, 6 butterfly bandages, 6 spot bandages, 6 fingertip bandages, 4 knuckle bandages, 8 antiseptic wipes, 5 sting relief wipes, 5 safety pins, 4 antibiotic ointments, 2 sets of 2 nitrile gloves, 4 gauze pads 2x2, 1 roll of tape, 1/2 inch by 2.5 yards, and the reusable tin. Now, I wouldn't call this 82 pieces because, again, we're not going to count the 10, and I don't want to count the 5 safety pins. There are some uses for safety pins in a first aid kit, but I do not find them in general necessary. So, what you get is a $5 kit for this little small one, and about $10-11 for this bigger one. So it's a pretty good value for the amount of stuff you're getting, and it is going to cover a wide range of your most common everyday injuries. With that, I'm going to wrap up this video, but I would also like to add I do have a video coming up on bug out bags. I was watching a video today and commented on it, and a lady commented back on what are you supposed to do. I mean, she had some very good and valid points that I'd like to go over and hopefully give you information and show you some things that could help you from having to carry a get home bag or an everyday bag, and go over the pros and cons. And the biggest con of having a bug out bag or get home bag in certain scenarios. I mean, they're not bad in all scenarios, but they are bad in some. So, and hopefully give you some information that will help you decide if that's something that you need or you're willing to do and take certain risks or not. With that being said, I'm going to wrap up this video. Take care of yourself, take care of one another, and have a great day.